Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another Amy Lee makeup look. The picture was sent to me from when she sang Sally's song at the Jay Leno show. And here is a picture. Okay, so that is the photo I could get, I don't know, the look from. Anyhow, if you want to see how I went about this, keep watching. Okay, for this tutorial I used the PIXI by Petra palette called Festive Eyes. I also used their Glow and Bronze palette, my usual Maybelline concealer, and this Tarte blush called Feisty, Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline, and these eyeliners and lip liner from Wet n Wild. Black Radiance Fine Line Liquid Eyeliner in black, Maybelline lipstick in Raw Chocolate. Here are the brushes listed out for you. Okay, let's get started here. Starting with the concealer as usual, we're applying it all over the eyelid and then we're patting it down. Next, grabbing our Glow and Bronze palette with a blending brush, we are going to start by using the shade called Lex, or any medium matte brown shade will work for this. So we're applying it all over the lid and blending it out, just leaving a space for the brow bone color. Now switching to a precision brush, we're going into the same brown shade and we're going to line underneath the eye with that color. Next, taking the Festive Eyes palette. These don't have any names, so I just used the lightest shade with an angled shader brush and applied it on the brow bone. Okay, taking the 3 eyeliners that I'm going to be using for this look, we're going to start with Calling Your Buff, and we're going to line the waterline to open and brighten the eyes. Next up is the liquid eyeliner, and I just did a very thin line, lining the full length of the eye. I think Amy was wearing brown eyeliner, but I don't have any. I have black, and that is what I used. Okay, now taking the black eyeliner pencil, we're going to line the lash line to darken it. Back to the Glow and Bronze palette, this time going into the darker shade called Empress. With this precision brush, we're just going to line underneath and blend the black eyeliner we applied. Mascara time! Coat those top and the bottom lashes as well. Blush time! This is Feisty from Tarte, and we're applying this blush on strong. It looked very strong in the picture, so that's how I applied it. Now highlighter. I'm not sure if she was wearing any, but I wanted to apply it because it looked like she was. And this highlighter is called Statuesque. Any pinkish, goldish tone, whatever highlighter you want. Lip liner and lipstick. Lining the lips as usual. And applying the lipstick. Alright, the look is complete. Okay, that is it for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it and that you're happy that Amy Lee tutorials are back. Excuse my son in the back, he is just gonna be loud. That's what it is. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give my video the thumbs up if you like this look and if you love Amy Lee. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel for more Amy Lee makeup tutorials and of course my own original makeup tutorials, music covers, music tracks, vocal covers, original songs, and family vlog. So there's a lot in here. Okay, so until next time, guys, rock on. Okay, so I'm back and I have a little bit of news for you. Since I was gone for like a whole month, I really needed that break and it really helped me to focus on music, which is really awesome. It just made me really happy to be able to write 2 original songs. Yay! It takes a lot of work, but it's so satisfying. Yeah, I'll be doing a whole month of Amy Lee makeup tutorials. I usually do Amy Lee makeup tutorial and then an original look, but I'm gonna be doing nothing but Amy Lee makeup looks because I need to catch up. I have a lot of requests and people are waiting. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for waiting, guys. I know you want things to come out fast, but it's hard. I can't do it like that. So also, these makeup products that I used today were actually sent to me by one of my subscribers. Her name is Brittany, and she is so sweet. She sent me this like whole package full of goodies and makeup, and I was so excited that I was able to use even the blush that she sent me. So it worked out perfectly for this look. I'm really excited to do that and that she can see, you know, that things she gave me are being put to good use. I really appreciate her. She is so supportive. She supports my music and watches my vlogs. Like, she's all around supportive, and I really appreciate people like that because they make things just better. They make it worthwhile and they make you feel like what you're doing is something that matters, you know? It's not just going out for thin air and invisible people that don't exist. Anyhow, we all like to share. I think that's how we're made. We're not made to be by ourselves. We're made for other people. And yeah, sharing is fun. And it's great when people actually enjoy. Oh yeah, and the hair, man, I had a hard time with this hair. Look, it's probably a mess in the back. I couldn't do it. I don't know how to fishtail braid, and I think that's what Amy has. She had like a fishtail braid and really teased up hair, and she's got so much hair. She's got like enough hair for like 3 people, I think, and it's really long too. So I was able to like do the top, and then I had this leftover thing that matched the color of the feathers that she had. I had made this for like a scarf or something. I never used it, and I was like, oh, that'll work out perfectly. So yeah, that's what I did. And it's supposed to be like a fishtail braid, but this is just what I was able to manage. But that's it, guys. That's what I have for you today as an extra blooper chit-chat moment. Because my son... I have the door closed, by the way, so you can still hear him. These doors, they're like hollow. Yes, so that is it.